Maya's Christmas poem. I joined Maya's in June of 2022, not knowing then how much it all would do. For others, yes, but also deep inside, a place where tired hearts can rest and rise. I've seen a warehouse turn into a home where no one ever truly stands alone. Mattresses lifted, air fryers shared, food parcels packed with love and care. We've laughed until our bellies hurt, cried quietly when life felt curt, held hands through chaos, tea on the go, some days fast, some painfully slow. And oh, the pride we've grown along the way, in every little thing we do each day. But nothing quite prepared us for that moment when the King's Award was placed upon the family of ours. Proof that kindness carries power. Now Christmas comes around again, a season of giving, hope and friends, and we're asking gently, where you can, to help us shape a kinder plan. So everyone gets a hot meal to eat, and every child finds a magic on their seat. A wrapped up gift, a spark, a smile, something that makes the day worthwhile. So please, this Christmas 25, help us keep our mission alive. With your support, your heart, your hand, we can make your joy across the land. Together at Maya's, where love still grows and everyone matters, that is all we know. Merry Christmas.